Machine learning is the subfield of computer science that gives the computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed by Arthur Samuel. Arthur Samuel was pioneer of artificial intelligence research. He popularized the term machine learning in 1959. Yes, 1959. Research on machine learning is there for a very long time, and we are seeing very rapid growth in it for the past 2 decades. Let us try understanding his statement. Giving computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed means that we are not going to instruct the computers with a specific set of rules, but instead what we are going to do is feed the computer with enough data and output and give it time to learn from it by drawing patterns and decision trees. Based on these learnings, computer will process the new data and gives us the predictions and output. How accurate these predictions are totally depends on the input and the time we gave the computer to learn and draw its learning. Let me explain this by showing you the difference between the traditional programming and the machine learning. In traditional programming, we feed the computer with input and the program. Input is the data we give and the program is the set of the rules and logic we define and the computer to process. Computer takes the data and process according to the rules we gave through the program and gives us the output. But in machine learning, we give already existing data and different possible outputs for that data as input. Computer process the data and possible outputs, build some patterns and decision trees through which the computer will learn and become intelligent. Next time when you give some new data, it will process and predicts the output. That means computers are learning from its past experiences and acting intelligently. This is very similar to human brain. Isn't it interesting? Let me explain you with a real-time example. An e-commerce site like Amazon or Myntra collects data on every user browsing through. Its machine learning algorithms process this behavioral data and recommends marketers and programmers on what products to recommend to users with certain browsing patterns, when to advertise and what products to show them in ads, what offers to come up with, what new models or designs, colors to come up with, and much more. This is just one simple example. Machine learning algorithms are being adopted by every major industry, be it automobile, education, healthcare, entertainment, and in every field. Machine learning is being implemented. Are you ready to explore?